So another rule is what we call the zero exponent rule, or anumang tawag niyan, no? Nakadepende kasi yan sa book, but the point is the same. Zero exponent rule. It states here that when the exponent of the base is zero, then it is equal to 1. Again, when the exponent is equal to 0, then it is equal to 1. So let's say, for example, x raised to the power of 0 na simplified na, tapos ang resulta is x raised to the power of 0, it is simply equal to 1. 1000 raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. X squared plus 3x, times pa yan, times 3x times 4xy, naka-close and open parenthesis, raised to the power of 0. Again, so ang base na is ito, kasi naka-close and open parenthesis yan So lahat ng nasa loob nito merong raised to the power na 0, kasi lahat sila nandyan sa loob, no? Wala sa labas, therefore it is under this exponent. So this is equal to 1. But this is different. Take a look that only the base direct to that exponent. So when we have x squared times x raised to the power of 0, so x squared here, kung i-apply na to ang product law, so you have 2 plus 0 is equal to 2 pa rin. So ganyan yan. But if we go to the process, it looks like this: x squared times 1, kasi naging 1 yan, naging numerical coefficient na. So 1 times 1 is still equal to 1. Copy variable x squared, same pa rin. Kaya nga dito sa example kanina, no, yung x squared, yung y raised to the power of 0, it becomes like this: 5 over 3 x times 1 z squared. Naging numerical coefficient na to. So since naging numerical coefficient, multiplies the numerical coefficient na 5 over 3, same answer pa rin. Kaya final answer, we remove 1 because we have already numerical coefficient 5 over 3. Same sagot pa rin naman. Again, when the exponent, when you simplify it, especially sa quotient to nag-minus na, when the answer or the difference is 0, then change that one, change the expression or change that variable into 1. Okay? Aya na pag-change pag na-simplified na nimo tanan. Mana ka sa horizontal, manapod ka sa vertical. For example, kani x horizontal na may times, gi-copy ang x, gi-plus din ang exponent, 2 plus 0 is still equal to 2. Same sagot pa rin naman yan. So that's it.